Prove that if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle intersecting the other two sides in distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Using the above theorem, prove that a line through the point of intersection of diagonals and parallel to the base of the trapezium divides the non-parallel sides in the same ratio. So this is prove that we already know that prove that if a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle intersecting the other two sides in distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. This is basic proportionality theorem. Using that theorem, we have to show that the trapezium divides the non-parallel sides in the same ratio. We have to show. Okay, let's do the problem. In triangle ABC, in which a line parallel to BC side BC intersects the other two sides AB and AC at D, E respectively. We have to prove that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Then next construction, join BE and CD, and then draw AM, draw DM. This is DM perpendicular to AC and EN perpendicular to AB. See, first of all, area of triangle ADE we have to check. Area of triangle AD is equal to half base into altitude. What is the base over here? Base is AD. Half base into what is altitude over here? En is the altitude. Next we are considering triangle BDE. This is an obtuse triangle, so its altitude is outside of the triangle. So its base is dB is the base and altitude is En. En is the altitude. Altitude is En. So next we are considering triangle ADE. So triangle area of triangle ADE is equal to half into base is AE. What is altitude over here? What is altitude over here? DM is the altitude. DM is altitude. So we can write a DM is the altitude. Okay. Then area of triangle DEC is equal to half into what is if you consider this triangle DEC. So what is the base over here? Base is EC. Base is EC. What is altitude over here? Altitude is DM is the altitude. DM is the altitude because this is an obtuse triangle. DEC is an obtuse triangle, so its altitude is outside of the triangle. DEC. This is an obtuse triangle, so its altitude is outside of the triangle. DM is its altitude. So we get a half into EC into DM. Okay. Then next we have to, what we have to do? Ratio, we have to take the ratio. area of area of area of triangle ADE is equal to half into AD into EN, half into AD into EN divided by area into triangle BDE is equal divided by half into dB into En. So these En and these En will cut off and these will cut off. So we get AD by dB equation number 1. Okay. Similarly, we can show AD area of triangle ADE whole divided by area of triangle DEC. Triangle DEC is equal to half into AE into DM. AE into DM whole divided by half into EC into DM. So this DM and this DM will cut off and this half will cut off. So what will you get? Remaining what will you get? We get equal to AE by EC. Equation number 2. In triangle BDE and DEC are on the same base. What is the base over here? DE is the base and between the same parallels DE and BC respectively. So the area of this triangle BDE and DEC, they are equal. So area of triangle BDE is equal to area of triangle DEC. Okay. Now triangle BDE and triangle DEC are on the same base DE and between the same parallels DE and BC. Therefore, so area of triangle BDE is equal to what? Area of triangle DEC. Okay. Therefore, from 1 and 2 and 3 we have AD by DB is equal to AE by EC we get. What is equation number 3? Area of BDE, area of triangle BDE is equal to area of triangle DEC. This is equation number 3. Okay. Then on the basis of this we can do the next problem. Next part we can do. Okay. Let A, B, C, D be a trapezium and EF parallel to AB and DC parallel to AB. Therefore, EF parallel to DC to prove D by EA and CF by FB. Construction join A to C. This line meets at this point. That point is called a G. Then consider this triangle ABC. CG by GA is equal to CF by FB. What is the reason? By basic proportionality, BPT, basic proportionality theorem, we have to write this equation as one. Then in triangle ADC, EG parallel to DC, EF parallel to AB, and DC parallel to AB. Okay. Then next step we can write D by EA, DE by EA is equal to CG by GA. Okay. What is the reason? By BPT, basic proportionality theorem. Equation number 2. Comparing this equation 1 and 2, we get CF by FB is equal to DE by EA. CF by FB is equal to CG by GA. CG by GA is equal to CF by FB is equal to CF by FB is equal to DE by EA. Hence the proof. Question number 34. Due to heavy floods in a state, thousands were rendered homeless. 50 schools collectively decided to provide place and the canvas for 1,500 tons and share the whole expenditure equally. The lower part of each tent is cylindrical with base radius 2.8 cm and height 3.5 cm, and the upper part is a conical with the same base radius but the height is 22.1 meter. If the canvas used to make the tents cost rupees 120 per meter square, find the amount shared by each school to set up the tents. So we have to find the cost of the canvas used. Find the amount shared by the each school. Find the amount shared by each school. So let's do the problem. Curved surface of cylinder is equal to pi RH plus curved surface of cone is equal to pi RL. Then we have to substitute the value 2 pi R. R is what? 2.8 into what is H? 3.5 plus pi r, base of cylinder and cylinder radius and base of cone radius are same. So 2.8 into what is slant height, we already find it is 3.5. Okay, what is common factor here? Pi into 2.8 into 3.5 is common, so we have to take it outside. So 3 pi into 3.5 into 2.8 is common. Then what is remaining? 1, 2 is remaining. 2 plus 1 we get 3 we get, isn't it? Which is equal to pi. What is the value of pi? Is equal to 22/7 into 3.5 into 2.8 into bracket 3, which is equal to 7 5s are 0.5 into 2.8. So we get 22 into 0.5 is equal to 110. So 1 decimal places we have to move. So 11 we get into 2.8 into 3. So 11 into 2.8 we get 11 into 2.8 we get 8 ones are 8, 8 ones are 8, 1 2s are 2, 2 ones are 2. So 30.8 into 3, which is equal to 8 3s are 24 to 92.4 meter square. So area of canvas, cost of 1,500 tons. At what is the rate over here? At 120 per 120 per square meter, which is equal to 1,500 into 120 into 92.4, which is equal to, we get like this, 1,001 into 12 into 92.4 we get let's multiply this. 12 into 15, 15 into 2 is equal to 30. 15 ones are so into 92.4. 32. 3 4 ones are 4 plus 3 7. 2 0 2 8s are 60. 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 1 3. Then 9 0 9 8s are 72. 7 9 ones are 9 plus 7 16. So we get 0 2 3 6 1 6. How many zeros? 3 zeros. So we get 1 6 6 3 2 3 0. Okay, let's write it. Is equal to 16 1 6 6 3 2 3 2,000, right? How many zeros? 3 more zeros we have to put. So cost of 1 is equal to rupees 16 1 crore 66 lakhs 32,000.